So, welcome back to our 2D platformer series, and today I will present you a trick that made my Unity scripts go from pretty bad to pretty good, and that's inheritance. And please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. So, for example, if you want to make a class called chair and another class called desk that both have an attribute called measure, then you can simply make a so-called base class, and call this one furniture if you will, in which you specify all the attributes that your child classes have in common, so you only have to declare them once. So in my platforming game I have one script for my player and one script for my enemy. Both of them should be able to jump, but only if they're grounded. So now I would need to have an isGrounded function in my player script as well as in my enemy script. And since both of them are some kind of entity, I can just create a new script. And now in my entity script I can just paste the things they have in common and make both my player script as well as my enemy script inherit from it. And now my isGrounded function, as well as my member attributes used in it, won't be necessary any longer. But wait, what if I want to inherit some of the member attributes, but some of them I want to redefine? Now the best thing is that I can do that nonetheless by using the override keyword and the virtual keyword in my base class. And the way that Unity will display it is by putting the inherited attributes at the very top of your inspector, and obviously it will work all the same. So we've successfully managed to improve the structure of our code and are now able to make changes more efficiently. So please let me know in the comments what you want me to cover next, and have a nice one.